Hi, this is Candace. I'm coming to you today with unboxing. So I ordered this boop, 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 from Coach on, what day was this that I ordered it? I think I ordered it on Sunday. So I have my little nail file here. Let's get to opening. Well, that's sweet. That's easy. This is what it comes in. The box. This is so. I'm opening it. Oh, it's so nice. Comes with, it says, thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality attention and detail. Coach has been known since 1941. If you have any questions, we would like to hear from you. Oh, it came in a dust bag. This is the dust bag. And it came in, I guess this is the receipt envelope. So, does it have my payment on here? No, this isn't a receipt. It's just showing me what I ordered. Just has a serial number and stuff. But they have it tied up. Oh wow, it's pretty. Do y'all know why? I bought this. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Look at it. It's like quilted. Then it has a C here. Oh, wow. Then it has a flap here. So it has a compartment here, and in this bag sorry honey. Look, it has a flap here. Then it has another compartment here. You see it? And then it has like a zipper part here. This has Coach. This is inside the bag. But I bought the, oh, let's see. Oh, this is cute. So I bought these. And go. Cora, did you say hi?
Hi.
That's Cora. So I have bought this bag to go with these. Because, you know, even though I'm wearing sneakers and everything, I'm still a lady. Like Shanae from Martin would say, I'm a lady. Yeah. So I'm still a lady. So that's why I bought this bag, because I wanted to, you know, yeah. So I love this. Oh yeah, look, in the back has a pocket as well. Oh, it has the Coach thing on the side. And it has a black chain area. I was gonna go to like the Gucci outlet because I wanted a black bag with, oh look, this is the chain it comes with for the bag. You see, it kind of has the gray inside of it. Yeah. And then you could, so it can go, you can do it this way. Or you could do it this way, the long way. Or you could do it the short way, like so. Or the long way. But I'll probably do it the short way. Yes, I love my bag. I'm gonna be so cute. Yeah, so this is another one of the birthday gifts I bought for myself. I'm gonna be 39. It's going to be 39. This is the last year of my 30s. Yeah, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Okay, so yeah. Thanks for watching.